Embark on a journey through the realms of intelligence with AI Breakthroughs, Top 10 Milestones in Artificial Intelligence. In this insightful guide, we'll explore the transformative moments shaping the future of AI. Join us as we unveil groundbreaking achievements, from deep learning to natural language processing, that have redefined what machines can accomplish. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or fascinated by the future of intelligence, get ready to delve into the top milestones propelling AI into new frontiers. It's time to witness the extraordinary advancements that are reshaping our world through artificial intelligence. Today, we will talk about AI breakthroughs, top 10 milestones in artificial intelligence. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Artificial intelligence, AI, has witnessed remarkable progress over the years, marked by breakthroughs that have not only pushed the boundaries of what machines can do, but also transformed industries and our daily lives. From natural language processing and computer vision to advancements in machine learning and neural networks, the journey of AI has been characterized by significant milestones. In this exploration, we delve into the top 10 breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, unraveling the innovations that have shaped the field and paved the way for a future where intelligent machines play an increasingly integral role. 1. Turing test and the birth of AI. The journey of AI began with the groundbreaking concept of the Turing test, proposed by Alan Turing in 1950. Turing suggested that a machine could be considered intelligent if it could exhibit human-like behavior indistinguishable from that of a human in conversation. While the Turing test has been a subject of debate and critique, it laid the foundation for the very idea of artificial intelligence, sparking interest and research that continues to this day. 2. Neural networks resurgence. The resurgence of neural networks, particularly deep neural networks, marked a significant breakthrough in the 2010s. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning based on neural networks with multiple layers, demonstrated unprecedented capabilities in tasks such as image and speech recognition. The utilization of graphics processing units, GPUs, for parallel processing played a crucial role in training deep neural networks efficiently, leading to breakthroughs in various AI applications. 3. AlphaGo defeats human champions. In a landmark moment for AI, AlphaGo, developed by DeepMind, defeated the reigning world champion in the ancient Chinese board game Go. Go's complexity had previously stumped AI systems, but AlphaGo's victory showcased the power of reinforcement learning and neural networks. 4. Natural language processing advancements. Advancements in natural language processing, NLP, reached new heights with models like BRT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. BERT, developed by Google, demonstrated an understanding of context and language, enabling more accurate and context-aware language processing. This breakthrough significantly improved the performance of AI applications in tasks such as text summarization, language translation, and question-answering systems. 5. Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, represents a milestone in language generation capabilities. With 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 is one of the largest language models to date. It showcased the ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text, enabling applications like content creation, text completion, and even natural language conversations. 6. Computer vision breakthroughs. Advancements in computer vision, fueled by deep learning techniques, have enabled machines to interpret and understand visual information. The ImageNet Large-Scale Visual Recognition Challenge played a pivotal role in this breakthrough, with deep learning models achieving human-level accuracy in image classification tasks. Computer vision applications now include facial recognition, object detection, and even autonomous vehicles, transforming industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and surveillance. 7. Reinforcement learning success stories. Reinforcement learning, a paradigm of machine learning where an agent learns through trial and error by interacting with an environment, witnessed significant breakthroughs. AlphaGo's success was one notable example, but reinforcement learning has also excelled in robotics, with AI-controlled systems learning complex tasks, such as robotic grasping and locomotion. 8. Transfer learning in AI. Transfer learning, the ability of a model to leverage knowledge gained from one task to excel in another, emerged as a crucial breakthrough in AI. Models pre-trained on large datasets for specific tasks demonstrated the ability to transfer their acquired knowledge to new tasks with limited data. This approach has significantly reduced the need for massive datasets for training, making AI models more efficient and practical for a broader range of applications. 9. Explainable AI, XAI. Addressing the black box nature of some AI models, explainable AI, XAI, focuses on making AI systems more transparent and interpretable. This breakthrough is critical for ensuring trust and understanding in AI applications, particularly in sensitive areas like healthcare and finance. XAI techniques enable users to comprehend the decisions made by AI models, fostering accountability and ethical use of AI in various domains. 10. AI in healthcare. Diagnostic breakthroughs. AI has made significant strides in healthcare, particularly in diagnostic applications. Machine learning models trained on medical imaging data have demonstrated accuracy comparable to or even surpassing that of human experts in tasks like detecting tumors in radiological images. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data rapidly holds promise for early detection and personalized treatment, revolutionizing the field of healthcare. The top 10 milestones in artificial intelligence represent a journey marked by innovation, challenges, and paradigm shifts. From the conceptualization of AI with the Turing test to the recent breakthroughs in healthcare diagnostics, each milestone has contributed to the evolution of AI as a transformative force. In conclusion, the milestones in AI outlined above not only showcase the capabilities of intelligent machines, but also point towards a future where AI plays an integral role in shaping industries, solving complex problems, and augmenting human capabilities. The ongoing journey of AI promises a future where machines and humans collaborate synergistically, ushering in an era of unprecedented possibilities and advancements. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.